let me show you how to ask a Jotform AI app builder to create a dynamic list. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to display a dynamic list inside of your Jotform app. What we're going to do is ask AI to build this for us. So no manual work at all. Let's get started. We're going to use this application for demo purposes, which is the employee app. And we're going to display dynamic data. What does that mean? Well, it means that when the data updates, it's also going to update on the dynamic list widget that we're going to create. So it's going to be dynamic in this case. So let's get started. This is my Jotform app, and I have a few of these forms already filled out. And what I want to do is use that data to display dynamic data in a list. So let's go ahead and ask AI to do that for us. I'm going to click on the Poto AI builder, and I'm going to talk to it to request that widget. So let's go ahead and talk to it right now.
What can I do for you?
Hi, I hope you're doing great. I want you to build a dynamic list with the employee names and their requests. So I want to have crucial information in that dynamic list. So build it for me.
Yeah, absolutely. I can help with that. Let me take a look and build the dynamic list setup for you.
So it understood the request. It is now going to build it for me. You can see here, there's an employee request section and a request details, and it's building two dynamic lists for me as I see right here. That means it's going to provide crucial information. Here we go. It is getting built as we speak right now.
Your dynamic employee request list with key details is now on the services page.
Can you make a quick update on the employee request and the request details? The background is black and I want to actually view the data clearly. So improve that for me.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm updating that now. I'll make the employee request and details much easier to read. All set. The employee requests and details pages are now easier to read on the black background.
Here we go. The dynamic list widget is now created with the details I requested, and it's going to be updated automatically because it's dynamic. So right now I can view a few requests that I've done previously, which is a leave request, a training request, and it's already dynamic. And there's also another section on the bottom for each one of the ones that I select. For example, now it updated to Jordan Kim. So it's dynamic. It's not a fixed widget where it displays the same data all the time. It's dynamic in this case. So it's super easy to request a dynamic list creation using AI here on Jotform. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the available options for dynamic list creating with AI and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.